Capacitorless LDO design and analysis using SPICE tool.
Hi, so this is the circuit we have designed. Okay, so actually, we took two reference circuits from LT. So one is as per our base paper. First one is existing one, so which is nothing but capacitorless LDO, that base paper you have given. So in which you can see the basic circuit called one is with a capacitor and another without a capacitor. So the primary circuit model is that is the base paper circuit is capacitorless circuit design only. And so I have given three options. So one is with the capacitor, I will show you first. Then without capacitor, what will be the output? Then how to vary the parameters. Okay. So as a reference, I took LTC 44405 as a MOSFET transistor, and one is basic op amp. So op amp circuit I took actually. So here the op amp work with these are the parameters. Hope it is visible for you. So this is the op-amp circuit. Here the op-amp primary values you can see, right? So 10 kilo ohm resistor, and input I have given the voltage source, and output of the op-amp is given to the that is the MOSFET circuit. So here I have used the boosted MOSFET circuit 4440. So here the output of the op-amp is given to the MOSFET circuit, and as usual, as per the block, the base paper, so two resistance are given. Initially, I kept this resistance value as 100 kilo ohm only. So if you want, you can vary, and you can take a multiple output screens anyway. So I added the capacitor. So initially we will give 0.01, so which is nothing but 10 microfarad capacitor. Later, if you want, you can vary. So initially this is the resistance value, and here I am going to take the output if it is a capacitor based LDO. Then I will show you how capacitorless LDO output will come. So now I am simulating. So this is the output of LDO oscillator. So this is the input. So I'm just taking the input and keeping the probe. So this is our output. So you can see the clock across the resistance source if there is a capacitor. This is capacitor based LDO. Now I'm going to delete the capacitor. So you can just refer the circuit. So now this is the exact circuit for capacitorless LDO. So input source, so output source, voltage, and this is input for booster. This is the intermediate output. So I'm running for 50 microsecond. So the overall time I have kept for transition 50 microsecond. We can vary. So this is the second output. So one is with capacitor output. This is without capacitor output, and we can get relevant screenshots here, and the characteristics here, and we will get the bill of materials. So I can display the bill of materials. So what are the things we have used in the circuit? And by varying the performance of the resistance capacitance, you can see the differences. So I not yet saved anything. Initially I just show first. So I change the resistance value. You can see the output getting varied. Okay. So this is how the circuit works. So similarly, you can vary the passive components and its parameters values, and we can take lots of output screenshots over here. So we can get the relevant report file according to the circuit. So this is the proposed circuit we have done, and even we can put a capacitor and check it again, and whatever we want, like we want to display the signal and you want to make an amplifier also, we can make. But this is the circuit given in your base paper. Okay, so as per the thing, this one we have implemented. So in the last page also you can refer the how the capacitorless transistor output will come, that is capacitorless LDO results will come. It gives a spike only because because of removal of capacitance, it gives like this only. So this is what the output we will get from the spice to circuits. And comparison, you can get various plots like this. We can get any other feasible things available means I will put in the report. Okay, so like here efficiency won't come. Relevant DC characteristics, everything we can change, like transient characteristics we can change.